Hey there, this is Brita from Streak, and I'm going to walk you through our new data exporting features. The new data export helps you export more raw data from your pipeline into Google Sheets so you can create dashboards and reports in Google Sheets, or you can use that as a data source to connect with Tableau, Looker Studio, and other analytics tools to create really customized reports. So let's take a look. First of all, from your pipeline, there's two ways to start an export. You can either select a certain number of boxes that you want to export and then click the three-dot menu and export checked boxes, or you can go to the three-dot menu just from your pipeline and select export. So there's a bunch of new features here, and I'm going to walk through them all quickly. The first is that there's a lot more data that you can access and pull out of your pipeline with the export now. So first of all, you're going to be able to choose your data source. Previously, it was just the full pipeline. Now you can either use those selected boxes like we just saw using the check boxes, or you can actually choose to only export a saved view. So just a segment of your pipeline that you want to focus on for your reports. You'll notice that you can also now export tasks, call logs, and meeting notes, so a lot more interaction activity from your team and how they're using the pipeline and working with your leads. So that will help you create a report where you could analyze, for example, if the number of calls is correlated to the length of a deal before it closes, time to close, or the close rate of deals. Just as an example, you can create tons of customized reports like that based on what you want to analyze. And then within the newsfeed itself, you can also now select what you want to be included in your newsfeed export. So the most common types of newsfeed activity are already selected, and then you can really customize what you want to be included and make sure you get only the data that you need. So you can, customize that as well. The next step is that we have a lot more filtering on all of these types of activity and items that you can export. So for each one, you can now choose the time frame that you would like to export. So this helps you create monthly reports or quarterly reports, or just take a look at, a snapshot of today or yesterday or this week to date. So for each type of information you're exporting, you can do that and really create your own customized report. So in combination with that, this helps you automate your reports so that you can create fresh monthly or weekly reports with our schedule feature, which is coming soon to the Pro Plus and Enterprise plans. And so once you have that set up, you'll be able to export to a Google Sheet, and then you could also you could choose an existing Google Sheet, and what that's going to do is allow you to refresh the data on a regular cadence. So again, monthly, weekly, quarterly, whatever aligns with your reporting schedule. And then that data, we'll take a look at what it looks like for you in one that I've already set up here. So this is an export. You get tons of raw information, and you'll have all of the different types of data that you've chosen is going to be in a separate tab here. So now you'll see the meetings. These are both call logs, tasks from your team, and all of the newsfeed activity here. And one thing that is new with this is each sheet here is also going to have a box key. That's going to allow you to join data across multiple tables. So you can, for example, link meetings with the box that they are associated with and create those really customized reports like we mentioned. And let's see, last but not least, we are also going to send you a handy email notification. So you'll get these notifications when your export is ready. You can just quickly jump to the Google Sheet here as a shortcut, or you can take a look, access the Google Sheet there, or choose to download a CSV file of any of these sheets that we just saw in the Google Sheet. So that's a lot of information, but I encourage you to check it out on your own and explore this new feature and let us know what you think.